Hi guys, today I want to talk about the math class in Python. So to use this, we need to import this class. For example, if you have a variable which is to get this array um, minimum value, we need to use this min function, and here will be the numbers, for example the 1 2 3 10 and 11, for example. And if you run and if you print this, it is 1 because this is the minimum value, this array. And if you change this to max and if you print, it will be 11 because this is the maximum value in the array. And for example, to get the absolute value, for example the x is equal the absolute value, for example the 5, and if you print, it is the 5, and the negative value will be the same, so this is 5. Yeah, so to use the math class we need to import this. Yeah, and in the MATLAB, for example, to get the square number, so the x is equal in the math class the square. For example, in the 4, if you print, it will be a 2. If you want um, to write the p number, so print the math class the p number, and this is here. So the math class has has a many. For example, the sin 2, if you print, so this is the value, the sinus 2, for example. So in the math class has a many function and methods, and we need to test. So thank you for watching. See you next time.